So SPX is on this solid rally up, down from the lows here of about 3,500. It was testing higher highs and higher lows, and now it's just on a breakout all the way to 4,500. So I think this year, like I've been saying all year, is I think we're going to retake our all-time highs. But that aside, selling puts and covered calls is sort of challenging in an upward market like this, because nobody needs that downside protection in the form of your puts. And then your calls get triggered, and you really lose a lot of the upside potential. So I like to do swing trades in markets like this, so I may have to shift my trading style in this up market. Haven't decided yet, but let's take a look at one of my old favorites, this dying stock, PFE. Ever since the high of the pandemic, the high of the vaccines, mandatory vaccines, then it's just been crashing down on lower revenue. But it's coming into a nice level here at 36. It broke 36 up, so it became a support here, and then it fell well below that earlier in the week, and it hopefully has become a sort of a resistance. It broke through a little bit here, but it's struggling. So I like the 36 level. Let's take a look at if there's any premium at 36. There's a little bit of premium at 36, but again, this is where I want to do a swing trade, because the market may pull this up. It's relatively weak, according to the market. But if this can be a support here, if this can hold off, this 36 can be a support, then see, it was a resistance here. But it did break through all the way to 36.20. If this can be a support, then should be a nice swing trade. It's up 2 cents. It's barely hanging on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a buy order in. I'm going to put a buy order in at 36. See if I can get a fill on that. And then I'll swing trade it up on the upswing if that 36 becomes a support. It's like I said, it's really hard to find trades in markets that are booming with my style of trading, and with the constantly getting small bits of revenue. But that is my PFE trade.